What is up, everybody? This is Ryan from Project Racecar, and this is my 335i. Today we're going to be doing some waxing on the car to hopefully get rid of some of the small scratches. Let's see how it goes. I went ahead and went to the auto parts store to grab a microfiber pad and some polishing compound by Turtle Wax. The car is freshly washed, so we should be able to dampen up our microfiber pad and start applying the wax. You want to get a small little dab of it and just start at one end and just do small circles if you're applying it by hand. You definitely don't want to rush this job. It's going to be time consuming, and just take your time with it and do small areas. As it starts to dry, it'll get more cloudy, and then you'll just want to grab a microfiber and just wipe it right off. Always go in circular motion. Once you get all the polishing done, you can go over and throw on, I have gold class wax, and all you have to do is put it on and allow it to dry, and then wipe it off with the microfiber towel again. Okay, now that the hood is completely done, you can start applying the wax, and this time you're going to let it dry, and then do the same thing and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. With the wax, it's going to work better the longer you keep it. As you can see, it's getting dry now, so we'll grab a different microfiber cloth and see what it looks like. Now it should start to get really glossy as you start to get the wax off. After wiping it all down, you can see the difference between the two. We're gonna finish doing the waxing and the polishing compound on the rest of the car, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, we got all the waxing and polishing compound on, and it is all cleaned off now. Well, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe and like this video. You can always share it with a friend, and stay tuned for more videos.